Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 daily unlocking phones. Let's go.
And on we'll go.
Let's go. So before we begin this video, I just want to let you know that there's going to be links to all the resources that I talk about in this video down below in the description to the unlock services that I'm going to be talking about in this video. All right, so check that out. So let's continue with the video now. All right, so unlocking phones is a very profitable business and has been around for many years now, and you could take advantage of this industry as well. So with so many phones out on the market right now and so many carriers that lock you into contracts, there's people that want to change their carriers and go to other carriers to save money on a monthly basis. Also, if you want to travel overseas, you're going to need to have your phone unlocked as well to be able to use it in that other country with other SIM cards. So for this, you're going to need to have your phone unlocked. If you bought your phone outright from the manufacturer, chances are it probably is unlocked. But if you bought it from a carrier, which most people do, it is going to be locked to that carrier until you completely pay it off and actually call your carrier and have them unlock it for you. So you can take advantage of this business and start profiting from it. So with so many phones out on the market right now, there's a lot of customers that are needing to have their phones unlocked for these reasons. And you can definitely take advantage of this and profit from servicing these customers and unlocking their devices. So I'm going to be showing you an easy and very cheap way that you can unlock your phone or unlock phones for other customers and charge them an extra fee to make profit. All right, so if you want to unlock Android phones for customers like Samsung, for example, the Galaxy S series or the Note series, I like to use eBay to order these services. You can read the seller's ratings and make sure that they have provided quality service to other customers to unlock their phones. You can search for whatever phone it is that you're trying to unlock and also put the name of the carrier right after the phone name, and all of the unlocking services will come up. You can unlock Galaxy S, any Galaxy S7, 8, 9, even the newest ones, the Galaxy S10s. And now that the S20s are about to come out, those might take a little bit of time for the unlock service to come out, but they will be eventually available as well. You can also unlock the Note series devices like the Note 5, the 7, 8, 9, and the 10. When you order this service, it will take a few hours for the unlocking seller to get back with you and perform the service with you, but it is very effective. And on websites like eBay, they charge a very small fee to unlock these devices. That's where you can take advantage and charge the customer an extra 30, 40, 50, sometimes even more on top of that unlocking service and keep that as profit. And another huge market that you want to take advantage of is unlocking iPhones for customers. There are millions and millions of iPhones used now worldwide, and out of all those millions of iPhone users, a good percentage of them want to unlock their iPhones to be able to use them with other carriers and travel overseas. So you can use websites like Unlock It right now and take advantage of their unlocking service. You can order their unlock chip, which is currently working to unlock iPhones from any carrier to use with any carrier at a very discounted price, and you can charge customers anywhere from $70, $80, $100, $120. The newer the phone model, the higher the price you can charge customers. So take advantage of this. With the unlock chips, to unlock these iPhones, you can make a substantial amount of profit, and you can unlock any carrier iPhone, especially a lot of Sprint customers that want to leave Sprint or people that want to travel overseas are looking to unlock their iPhones. So you can order this special unlock chip that unlocks the iPhones for any carrier, perform the service yourself for your customers, and make a nice profit off of each unlock. And the good thing about these iPhone unlocks is that these are done instantly. They just take about a minute or two, and the iPhone is going to be unlocked to use SIM card with whatever carrier SIM card they have activated. So just to run some quick numbers, making $100 a day unlocking phones should be pretty easily. If you're making, let's say, $20 profit per unlock, which is very low, you can usually make a lot more off of each unlock. Then you'll have to perform 5 unlocks daily. On newer model phones, you can usually make anywhere from $50 to $100 profit off of each unlock. So if you perform 1 unlock daily and make $100 profit from it, then you're good to go. If you want to maybe charge a little bit cheaper to have a more competitive price, with 2 or 3 unlocks, you should be able to pass $100 daily very easily. And you can advertise your unlocking services on websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp. You can create an Instagram account for unlocking phones, advertise it on Google, Yelp. The list goes on and on. Just make sure that you advertise it as much as possible so that you can get the clientele. But once you do, the unlocking customers will start contacting you and you'll start making sales on a daily basis. And $100 per day should be pretty easily. So take advantage of this. I'm gonna have links down below in the description of this video to all resources that I have talked about in this video, so check that out. That is it for this video, everyone. Hope you got some value out of it. If you did, go ahead and give the video a like. It helps me out a lot. And that is it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.